You'd like to set up your Go e-charger in the app to adjust basic settings and use some handy comfort features, but you're not sure how to? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step. Hello and welcome to the Go E YouTube channel. I'm Amy and today I'll show you exactly how to get your Go e-charger up and running. Let's dive straight in. To get started, you'll need to go to the Go E app. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play. I've already done it for this demo. I'll be using an iPhone today. Depending on your device, there might be a few small differences. For example, you might need to temporarily turn off mobile data on some Android or iOS versions. All right, let's open the app together and go through everything step by step. First, let's add your Go e-charger to the app. Just tap this button here and agree to the terms of use. Next, scan the QR code on the reset card that came with your charger. This will automatically connect your phone to the charger's own Wi-Fi hotspot. I'll do that now. And as you can see, the device is connecting. Make sure you're close enough to your wallbox so that the connection can be established. Once your Go e-charger is connected to the hotspot, you'll see step 2. Network settings. Here, you'll need to create a technician password. This is important if you ever need to change the network settings. For example, if you move house. The network settings make sure your charger meets all the local legal requirements. For instance, some countries have specific rules for single-phase charging. You or your installer can choose any password you'd like. Just make sure that you remember it. Next, select the country you're in and confirm. Now choose the Wi-Fi network you'd like your charger to connect to and enter the password. If your network doesn't show up automatically, you can enter it manually. Your wallbox will now connect to your Wi-Fi. You can skip this step if you'd like, but without an internet connection, you won't be able to use all the smart functions your Go e-charger has to offer. We're almost done. Now, create a password for your Go e-charger itself. You'll need to connect your charger to your local network or to the cloud. Choose any password you'd like. Once it's done, congratulations, the initial setup of your Go e-charger is complete. You'll see your charger's start screen in the app now. And from here, you can dive into all of the settings and features. By the way, if you've already completed the setup, including the internet connection, and you'd like to use the app on another phone, that's super easy too. Just open the Go E app on the second phone, tap this button here to add your Go E charger, enter the serial number, you'll find it on the reset card, and the password you created earlier. Accept the terms of use, and that's it. Your wallbox is now connected to the app on both devices. And that's it. Now you've set up your Go e-charger in the app. I hope this video has helped you get started. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments below or check out our website. You'll find all the links in the video description. See you next time, guys, and happy charging.